Hello, everyone. I've got an exciting update from OpenAI to share with you today. Are you ready? Let's dive in. OpenAI has made an announcement that aligns with their mission of making AI tools like ChatGPT accessible to everyone. Starting today, you can use ChatGPT instantly without needing to sign up or create an account. That's right. You no longer need to go through the hassle of signing up to experience the benefits of ChatGPT. OpenAI is gradually rolling out this feature, aiming to make AI capabilities available to anyone who's curious and wants to explore them. Now, here's an interesting twist. OpenAI may use the content you provide to ChatGPT to improve their models for everyone. However, if you prefer not to contribute to this collective learning, you can easily turn it off through your settings even without an account. To ensure a safe and responsible experience, OpenAI has introduced additional content safeguards for this instant access feature. This includes blocking prompts and generations in a wider range of categories. While you can now use ChatGPT instantly without an account, OpenAI still encourages creating one. By creating an account, you'll unlock additional features like saving and reviewing your chat history, sharing chats, voice conversations, and custom instructions. So, there you have it, folks. OpenAI has made it easier than ever to experience the benefits of AI with ChatGPT. No sign-up required, just dive right in and let your curiosity run wild. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of AI.